Okay, I'm up the hill from my house up on the side of the mountain. And this house was owned by a friend of mine who was into motorcycles like I am and other friends of mine are. He mostly worked on Ducatis and BMWs and he passed away. Now his wife is trying to get rid of what's left in this 4-car garage. She would like to have it emptied out completely. And I'm going to go in here and show you what's in here. And everything is free for the taking. Okay? So we're going to walk in here and we're going to talk about stuff mostly for Ducatis and BMWs. All this stuff, body work for lots of different bikes, cases and stuff, more body work. And
labeled well.
Yep, things are labeled K1200G, LT, F800R motor in here, 2012. Got all kinds of things here. I'll go down here slowly so you can see these nomenclature, because if you're interested in this kind of stuff, you probably will recognize this better than I do. Okay, but all this stuff has to go because Karina would like to have this emptied out totally for various and sundry reasons. Mostly she doesn't need it, want it, and wants it gone. Okay, so here's just what we've seen. Here's some more body work. John was a hell of a mechanic, and here's a frame from something, more boxes, exhaust. If you recognize these numbers, you know that it's valuable. If you don't recognize these numbers, turn off this video and go have a cup of coffee. Okay? Let's go down here. We have rims and wheels and all kinds of good stuff. I'm just going to give you these numbers to take a look at, and if you understand them, then this stuff is valuable to you. Or 1150. If you recognize these numbers, this is a heck of an opportunity. Center stand. Oh my.
This is the Japanese section. You've got Honda and Kawasaki.
Oh my.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. SL350, VFRs, CBs.
All right, so let's see. 99 VT.
1100, yeah.
Look at all this stuff. Okay. Part of a frame, more parts of a frame. Probably enough parts right in here to build a motorcycle. I think that's a seat and a tail section. There's some heads. Have a few more cylinders. Oh, these are brand new BMW rocker covers. Radiators, tank. I don't know what all this stuff is. But there's a bunch of it.
And we're talking about a craftsman, it broke.
All right, so all this stuff is available. Now I'm going to go in the next room over. All right, all the stuff in this room, including that parts washer over there, which is a nice big one. And this tool bench goes, and all the bits and pieces that are on it and in it. I don't recognize most of them, but oh, they're cool. Some sort of table. These are neat.
Serious wrenches.
Are they decoration or no?
They're real.
There's a wrench.
Yeah, it's Taiwan, but it's a real nice
That is
watch.
a nice wrench. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Ace. This from Ace, huh?
All right. This is part of BMW Drive rear sections. Tires. That's about the third set of rear wheel lifts. Nice little wall decoration. The Ducati sign does not go. Don't know why, but that's built into the wall. They're going to keep that. This monster desk workbench here, it is huge. It goes. All this stuff under here, which are parts of motorcycles of which I have no familiarity. That's all goes. That's all free. All the stuff in here. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Stuff. And I'm guaranteed that John knew where every single bit of this stuff was. More part numbers and descriptions that I'm not familiar with. K75. I used to have a bunch of K75s when I was renting bikes. I like the 75s better than the thousands.
One day short of 60.
K75 tail section, rifle fairing, bits and pieces. Bits and pieces, the shelves go. Toolboxes do not go. These are going to a friend of John's, so they do not go. Okay. Wall hanging. A bench. John used to buy and sell stuff on eBay, so he's got a lot of packing boxes there. And then the thing that everybody's interested in is this BMW 650. And he's probably got all the parts here, I don't know. But this is a BMW 650 and it has a title. And it is included in this offer, okay? In the lift. The lift is included. And this guy is, it's a whole motorcycle, probably, maybe, could be. And the parts to put it back together are probably, maybe, could be here to go along with it. Neat project if you have the experience to pursue it. Okay, so Let's go back outside and I'll tell you what the deal is. Okay? All right, so let's go outside and talk.
Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah.
Beautiful Spanish style house. Okay, so here's the deal. Everything you just saw in that 3-car garage with basically a workshop at the end of it, all those boxes and the BMW motorcycle up on the left, everything I showed you is all available for free. And the BMW has a title, so it can be titled. And you can put it together with the parts that are spread all over this garage. So everything is for free. Come and take it. Enjoy. Here's the kicker. You have to take it all. Everything. You cannot come in and cherry pick the few items that you want. If you want that BMW motorcycle, if you want those workbenches, if you want all those boxes of parts, if you want any of them, you have to take them all. So bring a big enough truck or a big enough trailer so that you can take every single box off of every single shelves and pack it all up. You're going to need a big U-Haul because the deal is everything has to go and you get it for free. Okay? They need to clear out this garage and they're giving away all this stuff for free if you take it all. And that's the deal. It's a heck of a deal for the guy who knows what all this stuff is, knows the value of it, can either use it or sell it. But isn't this a neat old house? And beautiful view from up here on the mountain in Phoenix, Arizona. So, take a look, take a look. It's really neat and it's all for free, but you gotta take it all. Okay, one last thing. This is a 1981 Mercedes SLK, little 2-seater, and it is just gorgeous. It's not included in the deal, but for the right offer, you can get yourself one heck of a beautiful classic car that's not made anymore. It's a removable hardtop. Isn't that something? So if you are a Mercedes aficionado or no one, this can be yours. Contact me and I will put you in touch with them.